So another thing I gotta check is the spark plugs. I'm probably not gonna replace them, but I do want to check the gap and clean them up. I like to try and only use the tools that I have with me on the bike at all times. That way I know that, pretty much no matter what happens. Unless, of course, it's an actual component that has failed or something like that. The service manual says to replace the spark plugs every 20,000 kilometers. That seems a little over the top for iridium plugs to me, but I've got just over 20k on the bike now, so I'm going to pull them out and just do a little investigating. I know the slides, yeah. It's a pretty basic job that starts with removing the side cover to access the plugs. Unplugging a couple of plugs and pulling off the coil pack will let me actually remove the plugs and check the gap on them. These are definitely tight in there, that's for sure. To be honest, I'm starting to get a little concerned I've left this all too late. As I'm recording this voiceover, it's April 4th. I have a motocamping trip planned for early May, and the rear shock is sitting at a KTM dealer waiting for parts to arrive. The mechanic there isn't even 100% sure he can bleed it properly, and if that's the case, I seriously doubt I'll be able to find someone to rebuild it in time. So definitely gonna have to check the gap on these. Not even sure what it's supposed to be at this point. Alright, let's see what kind of gap we got here. I looked up the gap and it is supposed to be 0.035 inches. So there's that. We got just a little bit of drag there. Just a little bit of drag there. So these are still perfectly gapped as far as I can tell. We'll get these spark plugs back in. This upcoming trip is a pretty important one to me. I'm really itching to get out on the bike pretty badly, and this trip's purpose is for me to find some new areas to ride and camp. If this rear shock doesn't get rebuilt in time, I'm gonna have to come up with a plan B because I'm going. Things are still heading in the right direction for me to go though. After 20k, spark plugs still had the spec gap and looked to be in pretty good shape. I put the plugs back in the bike, put everything back on the bike, and started to focus on getting the rest of the maintenance done. That's taking that rear wheel off for the tire replacement and getting the rear shock out for the rebuild. I think what's really gotten me motivated though is just the desire to get out on the bike and do some moto camping. It was a longer and colder winter than we've had in the past few years, and I am seriously jonesing to get out into the woods. With either a little luck and a mechanic who's better than he thinks, or a fair bit of extra work and a trip with a slightly bouncier suspension than usual, I should be out there in a few weeks though. So, that just leaves the rear tire and pulling out that rear shock.